Good morning. I'm Alex McEachran with Power Standards Lab, and today we're going to do a very quick review of a brand new instrument for looking at the stability of distribution power grids and microgrids. Officially, it's called the Grid Resonance Probe, but we call it the Thumper. And all it does is it bumps on the power grid so that we can measure the response of the grid and the length of time it takes the grid to get back to a steady state. To do those measurements, we use PSL micro PMU instruments, the most sensitive instruments you can get. Come on, let's go take a look. So this is the PSL Global Information Center, and the Thumper, the Grid Resonance Probe, can be operated remotely anywhere in the world from in here, and that's where we're going to be doing the initial testing and experiments, operating it from here. Come on, let's go back and look at the Thumper. This is the Thumper. It's built in a standard shipping container so we can move it anywhere in the world almost immediately. This is where it connects to the local power grid. Any voltage between 100 volts and 600 volts, typically 480, and currents up to about 250 amps. So it just connects to a standard circuit breaker. Then come back here. This is where the work actually happens. These are the resistors. There's 1,000,000 watts of resistors that we can connect to the grid. And this is the solid state switches, set of solid state switches that we've designed to connect this load very quickly. Boom, boom, on, off. These fans keep it cool by bringing air in from the bottom and up and out through the top. And these are the control lines here. These are the main power conductors. These are the control lines that are run by the control system, which I'm going to show you next, that synchronizes this system to all of the instruments, all of the micro PMUs, through the satellite timing network. So there's satellite receivers in here as well. Come on around this way. So this is the back end of the Thumper, the Grid Resonance Probe. And in here, we have everything from all the safety systems, an air conditioner, a little desk. But here is the special circuit board that controls all of those solid state switches that you saw on the back and does all of the work synchronizing them to the satellite signals received by an antenna on the roof. Ordinarily, this is operated from the Global Information Center that you saw earlier, but you can operate it manually from in here. So this is the Grid Resonance Probe. It is a new device. There's never been anything like it, and we're just starting to test it and run the first experiments, but everything indicates that it will be a superb tool for measuring the stability of electric power grids, especially distribution grids and microgrids.